Standing outside the Rockwood Ultra Lite. This is, I don't want to say cute, but it's kind of cute. It's a little compact fifth wheel.
Yeah,
right?
Just a little 28, almost 29 foot fifth wheel, yeah.
Now they say that like fifth wheels are easier to tow because the
weight is sitting over the axle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this feels like it would be an even easier fifth wheel to tow because it's a little smaller, a little more compact.
Absolutely.
Right? Yeah. All right.
So I guess we'll start up front. Big pass-through storage up here.
Oh yeah, all the way through.
Yep. And then all your water connections and everything are actually on the opposite side. They come up to the bottom of the camper. So.
Okay. Awesome.
But in typical Rockwood fashion, you have the rail here so that way you can hook on your table or the griddle that comes with it. TV comes straight directly outside, hooks the mount, plug it in, cable there, outside speakers. So.
All right. So we just had, before we go inside, we just had somebody ask about internet connection. Catherine, I thought you said Captain. Catherine asked about internet connection. Captain Catherine asked about internet connection. We're going to talk about that and the options. We're going to talk about that, I think, after we walk through this. So we haven't forgotten you. We will talk about that because I know that's very, very important. Yeah, so you got your awning across the top. Sorry, I was listening to Tim.
You're right.
I'm pretty sure you mentioned that, but should we get inside?
Absolutely.
Let's do it. All right, because it's a little more compact, we got a lot of stuff in this little space, but still feels roomy, even though there's a lot here.
Absolutely.
Still roomy.
Absolutely.
Instead of having like a TV, or I'm sorry, a TV, a dinette over here, you've got your living area, living room seat with the TV across from it, which is kind of right here next to the kitchen, and your dining area would be right here.
Absolutely.
I mean, you could obviously bring in maybe a table or something set up here and eat here, but I really dig this kind of little bar area here.
Yeah, you got the nice little area to sit there, so that way whenever you get done cooking the eggs, you give it to your wife, and she eats them up there. And theater seating directly across from the TV, so, and they do recline and everything. So
love it. Lots of storage in here, a whole lot of storage.
Oh yeah,
all around the refrigerator, above the sink. You got some space up here to anything you want to kind of store up there with the lip on it so it doesn't fly off as you're driving down the road. And then of course storage down below. But you get your microwave, your three top stove, and one of the smaller ovens, but they're a little bigger than the smaller ones.
Yeah,
it does get smaller than that. So plenty of good stuff in this small area.
Yeah, absolutely. And then directly behind here, you even have a little bit more counter space with a nice glass door, so you can see everything behind there. So when you're nice and disorganized like me, you can see all the mess.
Yeah. I never understood that. That's so much work to have clear glass windows in the cabinets. It's more area you need to keep clean.
Looks cool though.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. So some storage underneath there.
Absolutely.
And of course,
plenty of storage underneath here for even more stuff.
Yeah, maybe keep a coffee pot over there on the little ledge there.
Because of the lack of a true pantry, they give you plenty of counter space and everything. And all the countertops are solid surface all the way across. So
nice. All right.
Yeah.
Let's run upstairs. Obviously on the way up, past the bathroom. I'll jump in there. Thanks, sure.
Yep.
Good sized bathroom. Again, we got a smaller vehicle, a smaller RV. So even so, we've got a good sized bathroom here. You got the heat miser on here so that you're not wasting water. That's just a brilliant idea. Good sized shower, a little sitting area back here, and then your toilet, a little bit of space, storage space above the toilet and next to it here. And then a medicine cabinet, your sink, and space underneath. So lots of room in here to do what you need to do in the bathroom. Let's go into the bedroom and take a look. Another one with a lot of space around. I like these bedrooms with a lot of room.
Yeah, absolutely. Queen bed in here, and it actually looks small.
Yeah.
With this small of a camper, but plenty of closet space over here. If I can get the little thing open. So nice and plenty of closet space. Even got little drawers
down at the bottom.
Yep,
that's great. Perfect. And then next to you, a wardrobe next to you.
Yep, nice little wardrobe over here. So plenty of closet space for you when you take all your stuff. And right behind me, you got the nice little cabinets, pull-out dresser drawer, and the TV backer on the wall here. So
yeah, it's great. Love it.
Best thing about this camper too is with the modern trucks, this is half-ton towable.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Okay.
So, like
That's
I
good
have
to know.
a 2015 GMC, this will tow it.
Okay.
Or that
That
truck
will tow
it.
this.
Yep.
Yeah. Nice.